So what, Chelsea just came over to sleep?
What? No, she lives in Ohio. Oh, well, she's still in Ohio time.
Ohio. Damn, dude, that's fucking far.
I know it is.
I don't know
East
how the fuck
Coast.
she gets here all the damn time.
What do you mean?
Wasn't she always coming around?
No, she hasn't been here in like 2 months.
Are you joking?
No. Oh
The
shit.
fuck, she was just here like a couple of weeks ago.
Nah, she wasn't. Fuck.
That's probably Taylor's hairy legs, man.
Probably. Oh shit, you fucking dick. I told you I was about to die, asshole.
Oh shit, my car's on fire.
Shit. Good, fuck your car. It's a piece of shit.
Well, that wasn't my car. I remember I filled it and I was just chilling there. Aww.
What happened, buddy?
I don't know, I just fell and then I just got a big boo-boo and just died.